Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Angela Drummond Matthews, and this is Composition 1.
This is an 8-week version of Composition 1. That means we're compressing the lessons from a 16-week class into half the time. Every week, you'll have 2 lessons. Each lesson represents 1 week from a 16-week class. So, pay close attention to the lessons and assignments and don't fall behind.
In this class, we're going to learn how to write academic essays. We'll start with sentences, move to paragraphs, then write simple essays, and finally more complex essays. You'll also complete a weekly journal. Unlike most classes you've had in the past, we'll be communicating with each other strictly online. That means you'll need to pay close attention to the materials in Blackboard. We'll have assignments in the Lessons/Assignments folder. You'll be assigned to a group to do group activities and discussions using Blackboard Collaborate. You'll also have an optional weekly class discussion with me using Blackboard Collaborate, where you'll be able to discuss any ideas from the week. Here are some tips that you'll need to succeed in this class. First, read the syllabus carefully. Make sure you read all of the information in the syllabus. It will explain how the class will proceed, what you're supposed to learn, and what materials you'll need. It explains the rules and regulations set by me, your instructor, and by the college. It also has your schedule of assignments. You'll want to put important dates on your calendar and be ready for what's coming up. Second, read assignments carefully. When I grade an assignment, the first thing I do is to look to see that you follow the directions. Doing exactly what the assignment says is your first step toward getting a good grade. My next step will be to see if you did well. So, before you turn in an assignment, go back and look at the instructions. Did you fulfill all the requirements listed in the assignment? If not, go back and fix those things before turning in your assignments. To help you, we'll be peer editing our major assignments. You'll get the chance to help your classmates by looking over their papers to see if they missed anything, and they'll do the same for you. Third, check in with your class every day. In this class, as well as in your other classes, you need to keep up with what's due on a day-to-day basis. I'm trying to make the assignments due at regular intervals. That does not mean that you should only turn in work on those days. You should manage your time in relation to the other classes you're taking. That means if an assignment is technically due on Sunday, but you have time to complete it on Thursday, you should go ahead and do that assignment early. That way, you can make sure you have time for more difficult assignments on the weekend or whenever you have time to work on them. Fourth, turn in all of your assignments. You cannot pass a class without turning in assignments. Don't decide that it's okay to skip assignments or to do them late. Think about what kind of grade you want at the end of the semester. Many times, students will come to me at the end of the semester saying, "But I have to have an A in this class," or "If I fail, I won't be able to graduate." Think about what kind of grade you need now. Plan to make that grade by being sure that you turn in your work. If you're having trouble with an assignment, ask for help. Here are 3 steps you should take. 1. Check the syllabus, the course resources, or the assignment instructions. 2. Ask a fellow student. 3. Make use of the tutoring center or writing lab. They have tutors available to help you with assignments from any of your classes. Of course, you can always email me or come to the optional class discussion to ask any questions you have. Coming to the optional class discussions is a great idea, even if you don't have a question. You might benefit from hearing someone else's question. We can also discuss ways for you to study better. Remember, there's no reason for you not to know something. We live in an age wherein, for the first time in human history, everyone has access to the wealth of human knowledge, and most of us have that access at our fingertips in the form of a cell phone. The least question can be answered by the mere push of a few buttons, so use the resources available to you to make sure that you get the grade that you need to get.
This lesson,
We'll be looking at sentences and how they work. First, be sure you've read the syllabus and put the important dates on your calendar. Next, go to the course basics section and take the MLA style tutorial. We'll be using MLA style for our assignments, so you need to be sure you understand how to use it. If you're unsure or forget after taking the tutorial, there are videos you can watch in the course basics section to help you. Next, take the MLA quiz in the Week 1 folder. After you've taken the quiz, read the resources about sentences in the Week 1 folder. You'll also find a list of videos that will help you understand anything you're confused about regarding sentences. Be sure to take Cornell notes on your readings. If you don't know how to take Cornell notes, follow the link on the Cornell Notes assignment for an explanation. When you feel confident, practice recognizing errors and correcting sentences by using the practice exercises on the Grammar Bites website. Once you've practiced and turned in your notes, meet with your group members, get to know each other, and discuss the readings and videos. Help each other to understand anything that was not clear. We'll have our optional class discussion on Friday in Blackboard Collaborate. Check Blackboard for the time. Then take the exit ticket quiz. Finally, go to the journal section on the navigation bar and complete Journal 1. Remember to look at the assignments carefully and then budget your time, being mindful of this and other classes along with work and other responsibilities you have. That's all for now. Don't forget to email me if you have any questions. Have a great week. Bye-bye.